Hi, I'm Brenda with Vitamix. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be making an all-green smoothie bowl in the Vitamix. So I'm using the Venturous, the V1200, and I'm using the 48-ounce container. So what we're going to do, we're going to use coconut water. So I have a half a cup of coconut water. Add that. We're going to add half of an avocado. So we're going to squeeze that in. A cup of spinach, and a cup of frozen mango chunks. Also going to add a tablespoon of hemp seeds. And then for the top we have blueberries and coconut flakes. So we're going to go ahead and blend this. Secure the lid. This plug opens up, and we're going to blend it for 1 minute, 60 seconds. I'm going to set the timer. For 60 seconds, 1 minute. Start it on low, and I'm going to use the stick to push everything down into the blade. Turns itself off when it's done. So now I'm going to take what I blend and put it into a bowl. Take a look at that. And put it into our bowl. And then we're going to put our toppings on. So let me go ahead and we're going to add, this is 2 tablespoons of shredded coconut. So we're going to add that. And 2 tablespoons of fresh blueberries. And so there we have it, our smoothie bowl. Looks good. Let me try it. Delicious. So this is makes a delicious breakfast. It's loaded with fat, healthy fats, and it's also loaded with fiber. So go ahead and try it out. You see how easy that is? Thanks for tuning in.